Habari Gani, which means what's the news? Or, like we say in the neighborhood, what's the good word? And the good word or the news of today is Kujichugalia. And Kujichugalia means self-determination. So we're going to start by paying tambiko, which is libation. So I'm going to pour my water into the kikombe cha umoja, which is the unity cup, my unity cup. And I'm going to pay libations today for a cousin of mine who passed away when she was 19 years old. She was a phenomenal, amazing dancer. And what I learned from her is to live life and to try to have fun. She lived organically, obviously, because she was really young, but she danced every day of her life. And I believe that had she lived to really manifest and fulfill her vision for her life and her dream, she would have given Chris Brown and Usher a go for their money. But she was always there for the family. Anytime you called her, she was available, and she always did her part to be a good cousin and like a sister. And so I want to pay libations, pour libations for her, to Shani, Ashe. Okay. Good water. All right. So next, what we'll do is I'll give the lecture about Kujichugalia, which is self-determination. One of my favorite basketball players, the greatest basketball player to grace the NBA, the Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant. Kobe Bryant represents and reflects Kujichugalia because he had self-determination and held himself responsible above and beyond your average player. There are stories about how he would come in, if they had practice at 5, 6 a.m., early morning practice, he would be there at 3 o'clock, 2-3 hours before the rest of his team, so that when they showed up, he's already warm, he's already gotten it in, he's already hit the courts, he's already ran his laps, he's already shot his free throws, he's ready to go, and to give 1,000% in practice. And then when everyone left, they said he stayed and practiced another hour or 2 hours. And so that shows discipline. That shows the highest level of self-determination, and that shows that you really want to be there for your teammates and you really want to put forth the effort. And so in the spirit of Mr. Black Mamba, Kobe Bryant himself, I'd like to introduce you to Kujichugalia and his life, and his play on the field and off the field was an example of self-determination and responsibility. So I'm going to go ahead and light our candles. Light the unity candle first, and then we're going to light today's candle for Kujichugalia, which is the red candle. All right. Ashe, thank you for joining us. I'll see you tomorrow.